Georgers, it's me, Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. And tonight is the start of this vlog, and we're kickstarting it with a bang here in Mercato Centrale. Hola, ciao. Ciao. Nalilito na kami kung sa bansa. From Spain to Italy. Oh, ang ganda naman ng jacket ni Pangyaw. Thank you. Buonasera, Vicky Sera.
Kaya pala din lang.
May video. Buonasera. Lagyan niya na ng truffle. You're gonna look something like this. That's fresh truffle. Ano? Fresh truffles yung ginigrate niya. Oo, and then like... Right na din eh. So napagit na kami nag-order ng dalawang steak, so hindi na kami order. Steak frenzy. Like every table has their own steak. So our second stop, Domo.
Domo arigato gozaimasu.
Yeah. Domo.
Ano?
There's ano there?
There's a what?
Flower.
Oh.
Called Domo de Noche. What?
Dama yun.
Hindi Domo, mali. Buongiorno, it's officially our day 1 here in Florence. Ayan, so everyone's preparing. Medyo maghihiwalay muna yung grupo. Ayan.
Mga nabubulok.
Hindi nabubulok. Ayan.
And before anything else, welcome here at Florence.
Sige.
Sobrang independent. Sorry.
Aside from Jovi's butt, I think the highlight of this room is this one. So, mampa ka lang sa kama. Oh. Tapos, buksan mo to. So, before, parang hindi muna kayo magpipisa. Magdamol muna. Pero bago damol, may isa pa kaming stop. Dito sa paggawaan ng leather. Ayan.
Napasas pa.
Let's go.
Ikaw kayong tanggol. Ako may...
Leather goods. Makikita mo raw talaga yung pagtahi nila sa leather, paggawa nila sa leather from scratch. I think here. Instead of going to the leather market around Mercato Centrale, you go here. Amber, ano na yung area na to?
Fellini Baldarno.
Fellini Baldarno. Ayun, hanapin nyo. Google Maps nyo. Dito kayo pumunta kung gusto nyo ng totoong leather at mas mura ha. Fellini Baldarno. It's located exactly here in Incisa. So we're here at the mall. So give us at least 3 hours. Babay na muna. So after 3 hours, tapos na tayo mag-mall. Ayan.
Hi. So nabili na namin yung yung gusto namin na shoes for the
Special day.
Yeah, for the welcome din. And
Seryoso?
I'm so happy. And I'm so elated.
Hi, Vicky, ate.
Hi, hola. Ciao.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Ay, sosyal makaya. Hi, Amber. Ember pala, Amber.
Ember. Ayan. So, si Amber yung alaga sa amin the whole time we're here in Italy. So, we're back in Florence and we're back in the city center and meet natin ulit, mag-regroup tayo ulit with the friends. So, by accident, nadaanan natin yung sikat na oldest perfumery. Yeah, so this feels like a scene from, alam mo yung sa dulo lagi ng Fast and the Furious, yung kakain sila, you know, friends and family, ganyan. Hi! Sobrang tender na meat. Pinuntahan tayo ni China dito, my best friend. Wait lang.
Pili na balde. Naka-vlog si ate.
Basta, mga lokal na po sila. Parang 2 linggo na sila dito sa Italia.
Buonasera.
And this is it, George and Jerber. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Florence adventure. And now we're on to the next one. It's gonna be start of something new. I hope you could still join me. Ayan, dito ako nag-closing, inabot ako ng ulan eh. Ayan, so sana po masamahan niyo pa rin ako and samahan niyo ako sa bagong chapter ng buhay ko na ito. Ayun lang, Georges. Ciao. See you on my next vlog.